Hey you guys, it's Alyssa. So this is my hair after I wash it and condition it. I am natural. I low-key need a haircut, but let's just get into how I style it. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Mayel Style Setting Spray. I spray it in my hand and I just, apply it to my hair. I also apply some oil, which I forgot to do on camera. Then I always comb all of the products through, and now I'm just gonna start to blow dry. All of the products and everything that I use will be in my Amazon store, and the link will be below, so you can get these products if you want to try them out. I always like to use a blow dry brush with the vent in the back, so it's not like I'm burning my hair, girl. Let the air circulate. And this blow dryer here I've had for years, like a long time. And I think it's like a 2500 watt blow dryer, so it really distributes some good heat, but it doesn't burn my hair, which I appreciate, and I don't get all the smoke as well as the burn smell, you know what I mean? But honestly, the smell as well as the smoke comes from the products that you put on your hair. So if you put something that's really like greasy and weird on your hair, it will start smoking and kind of like cooking the hair. The products that I use does not do that, including the natural oils that I use in my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry this. You'll see, I'll just let you guys watch, and then we'll move into flat ironing. I have it all blow dried, and I'm going to take some argan oil. This is from Trader Joe's. This is just some organic argan oil you can get on Amazon. I will have a link below like I mentioned, but any oil that works for you. I've been liking argan oil as well as castor oil. So this one here is a natural castor oil. You can use black castor oil. A lot of people like black castor oil for their hair, but this is just a regular one, girl. I use just a little bit, and I place it on my strands as well as my scalp as well as my taper. Because it's so thick, it'll help lay it down, and then I go ahead and brush my hair as well as comb it through. It's important to comb everything through so you can make sure it's all evenly distributed. So now I just take a rat tail comb and I part it. I try not to take too big of sections at one time. And I start out with my smaller flat irons, which I've also had these for years, maybe like 7 years, y'all, for real. Like, these have really lasted me. I am to the point where I kind of want to buy me some new flat irons just because I'm extra and I want something new. So if you have some flat irons that you love, girl, comment down below and let me know, because I will probably check them out. But I will have these listed below. They are bomb. I probably don't need to buy new ones, but I did mention that I'm extra. So yeah, I go ahead and I use these small flat irons on the bottom half of my hair because clearly it's shorter, and I try to curl it a little bit tighter just to give like some, you know, volume to my hair. And I'm just going to keep parting and curling. And yeah, this is just basically all I really do. I just part curl, and then I style at the end. So I'm going to let you guys watch, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so just finishing up the last touches on the flat ironing, and then I'm going to take this pink luster, this glosser. It's just going to add some shine to the hair. After we flat iron it, we want to add a little bit more life. And I take my comb and I comb it out, and this, you guys, is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Very simple, very quick. I will try to start doing more hair videos and when I, you know, flat iron it in a different style, but this is one of the main styles that I do. Yeah, give me a thumbs up and I will see you on my next video.